Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable camera access for Safari browser in iPhone and iPad after the latest iOS update. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To enable camera access for the Safari browser, what we have to do, we have to go to settings, scroll, find and tap on Safari browser. We have to scroll and under setting for website that you can see camera, microphone and location, we have to tap on camera. Here you have a three option: ask, deny and allow. If you want to allow to access camera to Safari browser, then select allow. If you don't want, then select deny. If you want to access camera for question, mean Safari will ask you to enable camera access, then select ask. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.